Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the new Lunar Beauty Life's a Drag palette by Manny. I'm so excited to show you guys my thoughts and yeah, to show you guys what I came up with from this palette. If you guys want to know how I got this look, just please keep on watching. Okay, so I just primed one of my eyes and oh my god, I'm so excited. I've opened the package but I haven't haven't used it. So this is what the package looks like. Oh my god, it's so pretty. It's like reflective. You can see my ring light. But I am so excited to try this out. I've heard nothing but good things about this palette. And I primed one of my eyes because I'm not too sure. Oh, it almost fell off. I'm not too sure on what exactly I'm going to be doing with this palette. So yeah. So this is what the actual palette looks like. Oh my god, Manny is so bomb. Okay, so this is actually cruelty free. I think this is so fucking awesome. The inside is so pretty, you guys. So pretty. And I love how there's your colorful shades and your shimmers and then your neutral colors that you can make everyday looks with. So I definitely don't want to do two separate looks because I'm going to be taking pictures with this look. But I'm going to be using the mirror on this just because, like, why would you not use it? And I'm going to be trying to use the brush, but I'm more than likely going to be using my own brushes. Sorry, my chair, I don't know what's wrong with my chair. Anyways, let's see. Just choked. Okay, so I'm going to go, oh my god. So I kind of want to do something with some, okay, I think I'm going to go in with Campy, which is this yellow shade, and I'm going to be using, I'm going to be using my Morphe 535, I think so. My chair, I need a new fucking chair! My face looks super white because I have powder on. Okay, so there's really not that much kickback at all, and I dipped my brush in like 3 different times. So we're just gonna, okay. I'm just gonna add a little bit more Tarte Shape Tape because I feel like I need a bit more coverage on my eye. So, holy shit, my eye looks white as well. So we're gonna be putting the yellow into our crease. I'm scared. Yeah, there's not that much kickback at all compared to like Anastasia. Okay, you know what? I'm actually going to take a softer blending brush, and this one's a Wet n Wild blending brush, so I'm going to go ahead and pat this on and then blend it out. And so far, so damn good. Okay, anyways, if you guys wanted to know where I got my shirt, it's from Fashion Nova. It's literally the same exact shirt that I think Chloe was wearing in one of her pictures. I like how this isn't like a neon yellow, but like a very subtle yellow. Okay, now it's blended all over my lid. For my first thought is that really easy to blend and very buildable. So now we're going to be grabbing a smaller blending brush, which I think I'm going to be going in with this brush that it came with. To be honest, I like the brush. Okay, I think I'm going to go in with Snatched, which is literally right below this purple, so it looks right here. So I'm going to go in with this brush, and I'm going to be going in with like the blending side brush. And I'm going to go in with Snatched. I'm scared. And I'm just going to focus that like in my crease. So, yeah. So I'm just, woo! Pigment, bitch! Pigment! Okay, anyways. So, at first I'm just going to start in one part of my eye. And just kind of like focus on blending that. So like this. You guys can see that. And then I'm just going to bring like excess all the way over here. I'm kind of looking for like sunset ocean vibes, so I think we're going to be sticking to this side more. Okay, so basically this is going to be like the sunset. And like below my eye it's going to be the water. So now I'm going to be going in with this pink, but I'm not going to be using this brush. BH Cosmetics brush? Coastal Scent brushes. I've never actually bought them myself, but they were a gift. So I don't even know if they go by this, but it's a BRBS06. If that helps. So I'm going to be going with KK. That's how you say it. This pink shade right here. And I think I'm going to focus that more on like my lid. Okay, I like how KK is more like a subtle pink. It covered a lot. I'm going to go back in with this Wet n Wild brush and Campy, which is the yellow, just to bring it back a little bit. I like how this yellow is buildable. And you can have a subtle yellow or you can have yellow bitch. You know what I'm saying? Okay. I'm going to go back in with that brush from the palette and Snatched. And I'm gonna like put more depth into it. So since these shadows I can tell they're really buildable, we're gonna do just that, build them. I think I might cut the crease, but like more like in the middle. Bitch, I have an idea. So I'm gonna cut my, I'm not gonna cut it, I'm gonna do like a halo type cut crease, except instead of it being like this, it's gonna be more like a upside down triangle. So just kind of like follow my lead. I'm gonna make it as round as possible at the top, so I'm gonna put it right here. Okay, so this is what it's gonna look like. It's gonna look like a tornado, I guess. To set that, I'm going to be using the flat part of this brush, and I'm actually going to be using the yellow to set that. A small blending brush like this, and then we are going to go in with Snatched. I'm very close to the edges here because we want them to be seamless. I'm going to go back in with the brush that I came with the smaller side, and I'm going to touch up the middle with some more Campy. The next thing I'm going to do is actually do my other eye off camera so this video can go by a little faster, and then I'll be right back. Okay, now that I finished, I actually added some glitter like in there. So what I do for like my bottom shadow, since I want this to be like dramatic. So, okay, so I'm obviously going to be using Kiki and Fishy, which Kiki is the lighter blue, and then this Fishy is the bottom. What I'm going to want to do is I'm going to go ahead and do my face, do concealer, and then I'll be right back. I just did my foundation and I realized I don't do my concealer just yet, but I am going to bring up my foundation up to like under my eyes just the tiniest bit. What I'm going to start with is the dark blue because I want it to be as vibrant as possible. And then I'm going to blend out the edges with the lighter blue, which is Kiki. Anyways, this is what it looks like so far. So when I close my eye, it's like a reflectant of the ocean. I'm going to be using Beat. Legendary is a little bit too golden for me right now because I'm starting to lose my tan. But we're going to go to Beat. Oh! Shook. Now I'm going to go ahead and set my face to finish up my makeup, and I'll give you guys my final thoughts. Okay guys, so I added like waves, but to make them a bit more defined and so like you know what they are, I'm going to be using Shady, which is like the black shade, and I'm going to be shading underneath the waves to make them a little bit more realistic. This is the look. I'm going to zoom you guys in. So I added some birds on this eye, and yeah. So for my final thoughts on the Life's a Drag palette, I think this palette is really, good. I think that Manny did such a good job creating all these colors. And shadies, you can make it really black, but you can make it a really subtle black, so I really like that. Campy, I really like how that yellow, you can build that up a kind of yellow, because there's a lot of yellows that you cannot even build up in the slightest. I didn't really like go into like Sickening Hunty, Trade Mug, and Legendary, but I did dip into every other color but that. But overall, from me using all these shades, I think that this palette is really good. And the brush, I really did like the brush. For a lot of the brushes that come with a lot of palettes, they aren't really like useful. So with this brush that comes with this palette, I thought it was very useful. I already know I'm going to be reaching more for this palette than any of the other palettes, because my go-to really is the Anastasia Mon Renaissance palette. That's my go-to palette. But I feel like this one's so versatile. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!